These are my new best friend, because they are. Who wouldn't want to live in a Scottish castle? So my name's Rob Beaton. I'm one of the current custodians of Culdees Castle. It has languished in a state of disrepair for 70 odd years. The castle itself is about 220 years old, but hasn't really had much maintenance in the last 100-ish years. So it needs a lot of TLC, and we've undertaken this crazy journey to try and restore it. We have a lot of debris, 4 metres in some areas of debris, bricks, rubble, old plaster that have to be cleared. Having done a Google search for conveyor belts and had a chat with them on the phone, and it looked like they had some portable conveyor belts which we could use and move about within the castle, and that kind of pretty much brings us forward. Coveya sent up a couple of conveyor belts for us, and it absolutely transformed our ability to move debris, to get debris out of the castle. I think to date we've moved something like 80 tonnes, and that is spade by spade out on the conveyor belts into the trailer and away. We got a lot more to do, but the areas we've done, we just couldn't have done it without this. Back-breaking, horrible job, and these are my new best friend, and I did say that on the TV programme. These are my new best friend, because they are. The first contact I had with Coveya was through a chap called Ron Farr, and Al. He was really good, he was really interested, and I'm very keen to see what we were doing and then to see if there was something he could do to help us. And the relationship with Ron was really good. He advised us on what would work, what wouldn't work, what was portable. Yeah, the service has been really good, Ron's been great, and the other people we deal with, Coveya, the finance team, and they're really, really good. They're really helpful. As a tool to move the kind of stuff we are, you know, debris, bricks, rubble, I cannot recommend Coveya enough. The service is first class, the products are absolutely brilliant, and I would recommend anybody who's got earth moving requirements, material moving requirements, this is the tool. To the point, if I could afford one, I would buy one, because there is so much you can do with it, not just in a building like this, around the gardens, around the grounds.